Hello guys. If your Waterpik Flosser suddenly starts showing a blinking blue light and you are unsure what it actually means, it can definitely become confusing, especially when the flosser seems to behave differently than usual. Sometimes the Waterpik Flosser still works while the blue light keeps flashing, while other times the blinking starts unexpectedly and leaves people wondering if charging or another issue is involved. A situation like this can happen because of battery status, charging progress, temporary system interruptions, or settings that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Waterpik flosser light issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to understand a Waterpik flosser blinking blue light and what to do next. Try these. Step 1. Observe the blinking pattern on the Waterpik flosser to understand when the blue light appears. Step 2. Place the Waterpik flosser on the charger if the blinking blue light may signal battery activity. Step 3. Check the charger connected to the Waterpik flosser if charging feels inconsistent. Step 4. Dry the charging area on the Waterpik flosser if moisture recently appeared near contacts. Step 5. Restart the Waterpik flosser briefly if the blinking blue light continues unexpectedly. Step 6. Test the Waterpik flosser again and confirm the blinking blue light behaves normally.